So where are you normally going to see a fire suppression clean agent system? It's going to be in libraries that may have very valuable documentation or paintings, art, those type of things. Maybe a museum, your laboratories, telecommunication facilities, server, data, computer rooms, anything that can be considered a high value asset and is actually just a room itself. Those are where you're probably going to find a clean agent fire suppression system. But again, you need to ask those certain questions and have those areas assessed with the experts who understand what kind of protection may be needed, and have those questions to ensure that you get the right protection for your areas that you're trying to protect that are high value assets.